channel. So today's wig is proudly sponsored by Unice Hair. Guys, Unice Hair sent me one of their best wig and we're going to be unboxing this wig in this video. So that's the unit we're working with, and they sent me wig cap, elastic hairband, this satin drawstring bag, and this is the unit we're working with, guys. Guys, this is the wig straight out of the box. Smells okay. Smells like wig. Oh, it came pre-cut and pre-styled. Guys, this unit came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and you can see the knots. It's been pre-plucked too. Honestly, this wig came with everything. This is a 24 inches 150% density, and guys, you can see that this wig looks so good. We have the elastic band. We have this new drawstring. This is the first time I'm actually seeing this kind of drawstring, and it looks very convenient and easy to use. Like, this is going to give you maximum security. Your wig is not going anywhere. This is how you use the drawstring. That's the new drawstring invented by Unice Hair. This new elastic drawstring is friendly to all head size. I mean, it fits 18 to 24 inches, so you really do not have anything to worry about. It's safe and secure. For maximum security, we still have this elastic band that is detachable. We have the two side combs and also the back comb. Now look at this lace. Pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-styled. Guys, this wig came pre-everything. This unit is a Unice bye-bye knot wig, 7x5 glueless lace black Yaki straight wig with elastic drawstring, 360 cozy hug. Guys, here is the wig straight out of the box. I'm tightening the cap to give it a snuggy fit on my head. This wig is 100% human hair and can be dyed and heated. I mean, it's Yaki straight, so that is it. You can see that this wig, the texture feels so soft, and the fact that this lace, oh my god, look at that lace, look at that lace, guys. This is 150% density and 24 inches. This unit is giving, actually. Guys, this wig feels so full and the texture is so nice. Ooh. This is a straight wig, and let me show you guys something real quick. Where's my comb, for crying out loud? Okay. I'm going to I've not straightened it yet, and here is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. Not so bad. Not so bad. Because I can literally wear this out like this. I can wear this wig out like this. But to get that extra sleek feel, I'm going to straighten it. Wow, wow, wow. How many densities is this? Let me check real quick and let you guys know, because this wig feels so full, and the wig texture, oh, yes, I said it. This is 150% density, guys, and my lace is 7x5. This wig from Unice Hair is so nice, guys. This wig is really nice, and I love the fact that it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The knots, every single thing was done for me, and you can see the wig straight out of the box. This is how it looks. This is the Glueless black Yaki wig. This is a Yankee wig. Yes, It's not a silky straight wig, it's Yaki texture. But I'm sure you're thinking, right? You're thinking, how can this be a Yankee wig? Yes, it's only Unice hair that can bring you this. I'm going to straighten this wig real quick and you guys would see how straight and silky this wig can be. Wait a second, guys. Did you notice that this wig is glueless? Like it's glueless. There is no glue on this wig. See, there's no glue on this wig and you can see how nice it's sitting on my hair. Absolutely no glue, completely glueless. Ooh, let's not get carried away. I'm gonna straighten this now and show you guys. Oh, nice, 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 nice. We're doing the lazy girl style. Do you see the difference now? This is the straightened part and here I haven't straightened it yet. Ah, this wig is so fire. This wig is so fire. Unice, what did you add to your stew? What did you guys do here? Where did you guys get this? Woo, woo, woo. Oh, this is so nice. Guys, I straightened this part too. I did the remaining straightening off cam, but you can see how sleek and luxurious this wig looks. Thank you so much Unice Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. Oh guys, this wig, oh look now, take a look. One thing I'm going to say, see, good wigs will speak for themselves. You don't even need to do too much talking. Guys, run to the website now and grab this wig. I'm currently wearing the 24 inches 7x5 glueless, completely glueless. See, completely glueless wig from Unice Hair. Run to their website now and grab this. You can also click on the link in my description box to shop this wig. Guys, this wig is so nice. Like I said earlier, completely glueless, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, the hair knot is clean, pre-styled, pre-cut, all for you from Unice Hair, of course. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be picking this wig. But for me, I love it. I love it. To also think that I did not do so much on this wig, all I needed to do was straighten it, and you can see the hairline matches on my skin. This, I didn't conceal anything. They did every single thing for me, and you can see how perfectly matches on my skin tone. I would recommend this wig 100%. I love the texture. I love the, oh god, I love everything about this wig. Whew, I think I've said enough. With this viewpoint of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that you need one wig from Unice Hair. I also forgot to show you guys this new drawstring. Let me show you. This new drawstring secures your wig. Like, see, It's going nowhere. Like your hairline is not shifting. Nothing is moving. Let them not think that I'm running mad, but see. It didn't go anywhere. So if you know you're going to fight or you're going for battle, this is one wig you need from Unice Hair. Glueless. Yeah. Glueless. Completely glueless. Let's see if we can try another style with this wig. But I'm going to do like a half up, half down style of this wig, so you guys can see that it's a very versatile wig. Here you have it, guys. Half down, half up style. And you can see this wig is still looking very nice. Let me show you guys. Oops, it's sleeping, but you can also see that this wig is very versatile and you can style it whichever style you want. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be grabbing this wig. Further details of this wig is in my description box, like I said earlier, and I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Do say thank you to Unice Hair for sending this beautiful wig to us, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.